Cash App just launched a brand new feature that allows you to earn 4.5% on your money that you keep in Cash App. This is actually a really good feature that I predicted a long time ago when they first came out with the savings tab. But you can see right on the savings tab under your cash balance now, it says earn 4.5% interest. So what this means is that over the course of a year, you'll make 4.5% on your money. So if you have $100, you just let it sit in here, it'll make $4.50. And it's just free money. You don't have to do any work. You just let it sit in there and it earns you more. So let's go ahead and tap on savings. I have other videos on this feature, so you could check those out as well. And there's hundreds of Cash App tutorials on the channel. So definitely check out some of the other stuff as well. But let's tap on earn 4.5% interest right under this $5. I currently have $5 in my savings, but we'll add more in this video. So it's gonna give us this pop-up. Confirm your tax info to get 4.5% interest on savings. You'll get the highest current rate because you direct deposit. So first let's tap learn about interest. This is going to give us a lot of information. Okay. Cash App currently offers savings interest through our bank partners at rates between 1.5 and 4.5%. So we'll have to see what mine is at when I activate it. The longer you keep your money in savings, the more interest you'll earn. For example, here's how an initial deposit of $100 and an example rate of 3% grows over 5 years. So basically they just explained compound interest right there. That's not really a change in the rate. We'll show you your estimated interest for the month so you can always know what you can expect to earn. If you take money out of your savings, you'll still get the interest you've earned up until that point. For example, if you have $100 in savings and you withdraw halfway through the month, you'll still be paid for 15 days of interest you earned. So as long as it's in there, you're earning. So I need to confirm my tax info. I'll probably blur the screen right here. Review your info to start earning 4.5% interest. We need to make sure your personal info is correct because you may get taxed on interest you earn. Tap continue. Looks good. No, you're all set. You're now earning our 4.5% enhanced savings rate. So I have $100 in here now. You can actually scroll down and under activity. So I think this pays me once per month, and on March 1st, it'll add 18 cents to my savings here. And you see that if you use higher quantities, it's gonna pay you more, obviously. But yeah, that's kind of how to use it. It's pretty basic. When they said it was gonna predict my interest, I thought that they would show me a chart. That'd be cool if they showed me a chart with like compound interest and had it kind of go up over time. Maybe that's something they'll implement in the future. So there you have it, how to activate the 4.5% interest on your Cash App savings. You can put money in here and start to earn on it, just get free money for keeping it in here. It's a great feature. I'll continue to add more money to this for sure. And hopefully they continue to improve this feature a little bit, make it more visual. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.